Yeah.
Hi, Anchu.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. And what about you? How is your practice
Yeah.
going on?
Yeah, my practice is going super duper fantastic.
Yeah, you are doing a good job. Like you are from a village and you are learning English. That is a good thing. Yeah,
Yeah, trying. Let's see what will be happen.
yeah. When you do hard work, so yeah, you will get result one day. Most
Yeah.
probably.
Yeah.
So, what is the topic today? You want to ask something? Yeah, you were saying.
Yeah, definitely. I always take some topics. So today I have
Yeah,
also one topic. But firstly, I will ask with you. Then we will
yeah,
carry on.
yeah.
Okay.
Then
So
I,
my
yeah,
today's
yeah,
so my
yeah.
topic is like let's play some GK question. So why
Okay.
I'm saying that topic because mostly people they say we feel hesitation, uncomfortable, and confidence. So if we will play a GK question, so our remove hesitation like this. If we have lots of knowledge about every topics, not deep but little bit, so we can speak front of any people,
Yeah,
so we
you're
should
right.
know and gain some knowledge on any topic. So
It will
in
be fun
this,
also, na? It will be fun, like yeah, having fun and we are learning something. That is a good thing. Yeah,
yeah, we should know everything. Like mostly people about that, like if I am a art student, so I will learn only one thing related to art, but it's not good.
yeah,
We have to know in
yeah,
every field some knowledge.
yeah, yeah. We have should knowledge about every, like yeah, every field. Yeah, you are saying right. That is a good thing.
So in this conversation, we will ask with each other related to GK in every any field. Okay, if we know, so
Okay.
we can. If we know of that question answer, so it is good, and if we don't know, so it is too good because we will learn today.
Yeah, yeah. That is good. Okay.
Okay, so should I
So
start?
should, yeah, yeah. You should start first. Yeah.
Okay, so my first question to you, like everyone should know the meaning of our name. So your name is Minu. So may I know what is the meaning of your name?
Okay. Yeah. Meenu is the small name of Minakshi, and it means eyes of fish. Yeah. So yeah, eyes of fish
Oh,
name as a Meenu. Yeah.
oh, that's good.
Yeah. Yeah. Like yeah,
Okay,
beautiful eyes, a shape of eye fish, like yeah, like you can say like
okay,
yeah, if your eyes shape like a fish, also known as a minu. Yeah.
okay. I learned something new today. Okay, now your turn. You can ask.
Okay, full form of India, you can tell me.
Oh, full form of India. Okay. Okay, so I heard like Indian independence nation declared in August.
Okay, oh, I have no idea about this. Yeah. I was just randomly asked. Yeah. Yeah, you
Yeah,
will trapped in this. Yeah, you will not be able to give answer, but you gave very good manner, so that is a good thing. I will clap you.
I I heard that thing in my 10th class, so I remember
Okay.
that thing.
Oh, that is
Yeah.
okay.
And yeah, so my next question to you, what is the who is the our current PM?
Okay, I think Narendra Modi, Narendra Damodar Rao Modi is the Prime Minister. Yeah.
Okay, so mostly people they use Modi like short form, na, of
Okay,
that name.
okay,
So him full form is Narendra Das Damodar Modi.
okay, okay,
Yeah, mostly
okay.
people
That's
they
also
don't
good.
know.
Okay. So tell me again, what is the full form of Narendra Das, like Modi's name? Can you tell me
Uh,
again?
yeah, Narendra Damodar Das Modi.
Okay, Narendra Damodar. Okay, okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
And next.
yeah, yeah. So now my turn is like in every phone we see like GB, 4G, 5G, 3G. You also see like that, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So do you know what is the meaning of G, 4G, 5G?
3G, 4G. No idea. You tell me about this. Yeah, you are the youngster, no? Like yeah, that is why I have no idea about.
It, yeah, I also don't know, but yeah, I can guess like 4G, like fourth generation,
Okay,
5G, five generation.
okay,
Yeah,
okay. That's
yeah.
good.
It will boost
I
our
I
knowledge
learned a
now.
new thing. Yeah, I learned a new thing from you. Yeah, that is a good thing.
Yeah. Now your turn.
Okay. Can you tell? What will we say tea in Hindi?
Hare. Okay. Okay, so uh, that name is like in Hindi, दूध जल मिश्रम यथा चक्र
Oh my!
पर्वतीय बूटी.
I was thinking only chai. But you are given a good answer. Like wow.
Yeah, like like दूध like milk, jal water,
Mm,
mishram like
yeah.
mix.
Mix.
यथा पर्वतीय बूटी means चाय पत्ती.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
That is a good
that's
answer. Yeah, that is.
okay. So my okay, now my turn. So my question is, do you know what is the meaning of BP? My BP is again so
Okay.
like that.
I am a
BP.
science student, so I can give answer very
Oh,
easily. It's a blood
oh.
pressure. Some people have high blood pressure, low blood pressure. Yeah, it's a blood pressure.
You know, but you know what happened in village people? Some people they have a knowledge, na? So they what say of blood pressure, blood facer.
Wow. Yeah, because yeah,
Yeah. So I correct some time of that mistake. So I said no, don't say blood facer, just say blood
it's a
pacer.
blood pressure. Yeah.
Yeah, you are a scientist student, so I will not again ask related to science question. Okay,
Okay,
now your
tell
turn.
me, what is DP? You are a youngster, so yeah, you know better.
But I don't change again and again DPs. But that full form is display picture.
Okay. But
Yeah,
yeah, youngster like to change their display picture. Yeah, mostly, na? Yeah, DP.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I have yeah. In my contact, there is lots of girls numbers, so they every day change some new DP.
So you like to have selfie, na? Selfie.
Yeah, but I don't
Whenever
like.
you
I
got a
don't know.
okay. Okay.
Yeah.
But nowadays it's a very craze of having selfie. Like, yeah, if you are going here,
Yeah.
there, so people are always taking selfie. Yeah.
In every place they go and just take
Uh,
selfie.
yeah.
Yeah. I think you also
Like,
like to take
yeah, I like very much.
when you smiling twice, guess you also like to take selfie. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
not a
I
good
like very
thing.
much.
It's a good thing.
Yeah. Like whenever I get ready for going party, yeah, marriage purpose, that got in after that
Yeah,
have some selfies. Yeah. With my kids
yeah, and
also and my husband also. Yeah.
yeah, that's good. Okay, so now my next question is, do you
Mm.
know it's a trending nowadays like UPSC.
Yeah,
UPSC.
yeah,
Every
yeah.
people just say, I want to
Mm,
become a I want to fight UPSC.
mm.
I want to fight UPSC. So what is the full form of UPSC?
Okay, you are giving me out of the track question. Yeah, it's a very long, lengthy, I think. Union Public Service Commission, Union Public Service Commission, UPSC. Yeah. Union Public Service
Union
Commission. It's
Union Public Service Commission. Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah. You are right.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, now your turn.
Okay. Tell me some beautiful places you would like to go there. Yeah. Any
In
beautiful
my
places you
Chhattisgarh,
like?
in my
Yeah.
state, right?
Yeah.
Like no,
Yeah.
in Chhattisgarh, there is lots of green places like natural, like a forest. There is lots of like
Okay.
temple also, like Dongargarh and Rajim, Mahalochan Mandir, Lakshman Mandir, Kausalya Mata
Okay.
Mandir, and you know
Okay.
what is the most beautiful place in? Here is one place that's called Manpat. It's called Simla of Chhattisgarh. Simla of
Oh,
Chhattisgarh.
which
Yeah,
which one is famous? Which place is one of the
Manpat. That's name is
okay, man.
Manpat.
Oh, okay, okay. It's
Okay,
near
and
to your place? Yeah, far. It's near to place?
uh,
Yeah, far.
yeah, it's near, but I never visit. But yeah, in my future.
Okay,
Okay, and
okay.
I'm inviting you. Come and let's go.
Yeah, both. We will enjoy. Yeah, once. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Now your turn.
Now it's my turn. It's your turn. Are you asking a
I
question?
oh,
Yeah.
okay. So my question, like, yeah, I asked related to UPSC. So tell me full form of IS and IPS.
Okay. I think Indian Administrative Service and Indian Police Service. Yeah.
Arey,
Indian
wow.
Administrative. Yeah.
I'm your I'm your fan of your beauty, of your
Oh my.
spoken English, and now of your knowledge.
But I'm fan of you youngster. You knowledge have so much knowledge, and
But
I'm learning from you also. Like, yeah, you
but
people
you are
make me
giving
feel,
a
yeah.
takkar, takkar.
I'm learning from you also, na. That is why.
Oh, now your turn. You ask.
Okay, okay. Mm, can you tell me the name of fingers?
Yeah, why not? I know.
Yeah,
Okay, so if I will, I'm confused, but if I will do mistakes, so you correct. Okay,
yeah, 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 yeah,
so that is a thumb
yeah, yeah. It's a thumb.
and little finger,
Yeah,
ring finger,
yeah,
middle finger,
yeah.
but I don't know of that.
Index finger. It's the first one. Index
Okay,
finger. It's known as the index.
thumb, thumb,
Yeah,
index, middle, ring, little.
yeah. It is ring
Oh,
because when we got married, na, we got, yeah, ring in this finger. Yeah, it's goes to heart. Yeah, yes, we says ki, yeah, these nerves connect to our, yeah, heart. That is why,
oh,
yeah, when we got married, na, so yeah, we get ring in this finger. Yeah, there is a
oh,
reason. Yeah.
oh.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Now you're okay. Now it's my turn. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, okay. So, what is your favorite place? Like, in out of India, do you?
Okay. Whenever I will get chance, so I will go Switzerland, yeah, and Germany,
Switzerland.
yeah, yeah, with my
Okay. So,
husband.
can you? Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay. So, can you? Do you know some countries name?
Country's name. Okay. Different countries. Like England, it is a country. England,
Yeah.
Saudi Arab, yeah, like Dubai and Nepal, Bhutan, and yeah, Turkey, Philippines, yeah, and nearby Bangladesh, and yeah, China, Russia, like yeah, Japan, yeah, Japan, yeah. There are so many
Oh,
countries. Yeah, there are so many
oh
countries.
my God. I can't say you are housewife. I can't say.
But like I think nowadays people are watching YouTube, yeah, so getting so much ideas about different countries. Yeah.
Oh, that's
So you
good.
have any dream to go any, yeah, abroad, yeah, in
Actu-
out of country? You have a dream?
Actually, if anyone give me chance to go abroad and visit India, every places, no, so I will choose in India because
Okay.
I want to
First, yeah,
travel. Yeah, I
yeah,
want to
first.
travel of India, all the states,
Okay.
if possible. So yeah, like Bharat Darshan.
Yeah, that is a good thing. First, you have to visit your, yeah, India, and you have to like explore your culture. Different state has different culture. I think
Yeah,
how
because
many state in India? Can you tell me how many state
oh,
in
it's a
India?
question. Arey wow. Okay,
You want to go, yeah. You want to travel
uh,
in India, na? So you should know, na, how many states in India.
28.
28. Okay. Tell me something. Some few
State.
states. You know.
Okay.
You know.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
telling from yeah, in upper part. Okay, there's a Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and Meghalaya, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Bihar, and I think that's
Yeah. You remember so many places. So yeah, you're so intelligent. Yeah. You
yeah.
are
Actually,
also
I'm
beautiful with brain. You are beautiful with the brain.
beautiful. I don't know, but I know a little bit. I have brain, but
No. That is a good thing, na? You should have brain.
okay, yeah. And what is the like some? Can you tell me some? You are from UP, so tell me something tourist place in UP.
Okay. Good place like Varanasi, Kashi is very famous. Yeah. And like it's known as
Nauka
like
Vihar,
a religious, yeah, religious
Nauka
also, na?
Vihar.
Yeah, Nauka Vihar. Religious also, like Kashi, na. If you want to get moksha, so you have to go there once in your life, says people. Yeah, eat that. Yeah, like yeah, after
Moksha.
moksha, yeah, ultimate, yeah, prapti. You can say like that. Yeah, people says na, if you go Kashi, yeah, definitely you will get moksha. That is a good thing. And Lucknow is the capital of UP. It is also very
Yeah,
good. Nawabon ki Nagari. Yeah, it's known as
yeah,
in yeah. Meerut, it's like, yeah, they were, Mangal Pandey started a revolution in 1857. It is also well known history, yeah. And
yeah.
which place I can say
Taj
in UP is
Mahal.
very Agra, yeah. Yeah, I forgot. Agra is well famous, yeah. Taj Mahal comes in the eight wonders, na? Yeah, yeah, it's a, yeah, you remind me, yeah.
Yeah.
That is the
And who is the CM of UP? Who is the CM of UP? Current CM?
Okay, Yogi Adityanath, very well known and famous personality nowadays. He's working very well, yeah. People saying, yeah, he's very good. What is your opinion about Yogi Adityanath? Can you say something
Uh,
about Yogi Nath?
yeah, like I can't say deep because I don't watch lots of time, but yeah, I can say he's a simple but attractive person. Yeah, I can
Yeah.
say it like that
And he's
because
doing good
he,
work, I think. Yeah. He's doing good work now, like for, like, yeah, progress of
yeah,
UP, maybe, yeah.
and also he don't do lots of stylish like that. Just wear
Yeah.
gerua rang,
Yeah, simple Bhagwa. Yeah, we can say like,
yeah,
yeah.
bhagwa, yeah,
Saffron clothes he always wear, like, yeah, simple kurta and dhoti, I think. Yeah. He wears mostly, yeah.
yeah, and just yeah,
You know the Chhattisgarh CM?
yeah,
Chhattisgarh, na?
definitely, yeah.
Okay. Tell me.
But I don't so think he is a lot famous. But yeah, I can say like Bhupesh Baghel.
Okay, Mukesh. I have no
Yeah,
idea because I have no idea.
yeah, he's not
Okay.
that kind of famous. But yeah, we can say it's CM
Yeah.
of Chhattisgarh.
Some specialty of Chhattisgarh? Any specialty you can tell me?
Naxalwadi,
Okay. It is famous for Naxalbari. Yeah,
and
I
it's
heard.
called
Yeah.
Rice of Bowl of Chhattisgarh. It's called Rice of Bowl.
Okay. It's a product like, yeah, rice. Maize.
Mostly people,
uh,
yeah, mostly
Okay.
nowadays it's changing, but mostly people they do farming in Chhattisgarh.
Okay.
That's
Like
called
in UP, yeah, sugar cane. Yeah, it's produces
yeah,
sugar cane
yeah,
very much. Yeah. I think
yeah.
Maharashtra, after that UP. Yeah, Maharashtra and UP are
And wheat
is a
also, wheat also in
okay.
first position. UP is in wheat also. I read.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. You are studying now. That is why you have more idea rather than me. I'm a homemaker, always busy in my
but
cooking, washing clothes. Yeah. But yeah,
but
I
you
am keep in touch with
yeah,
you now. Like, yeah, this I have some knowledge.
yeah, you have great knowledge about every field.
Okay, what kind of a show you like on TV? You like to watch TV or not?
Actually, I haven't that much time, but whenever I get
Oh,
chance, so I watch just movie. I don't like serials,
okay.
and I do. But yeah, one serial is Madam Sir. I like much.
Okay. Okay. You want to become a police?
No,
You are inspired by Madam Sir, na? Like Madam Sir. One day, if you get the chance, so you will be able to become a police or not? If you get a chance, like a Madam Police.
but I don't so think my luck is that much good to
Okay.
anyone give me chance. But yeah, let's see what will be.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah. And any
Okay.
question? Do you have a?
No, 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 no question. We had a fun very much talking to each other. Yeah, that is a great thing. Yeah, we learned so much talking to each other. Yeah,
Yeah. It's a good way to explore our knowledge and
yeah.
enhance our knowledge also.
I think we should learn English in a fun way rather than serious way. Na? Like if we learn in a
Learn with
fun
fun.
way,
Learn
yeah,
with
learn with
fun.
fun. Yeah, learn with fun. Not feel stress. Yeah, if you take any stress, na, so you are not able to learn English. Yeah, anything you can't learn. But if you
Yeah.
take it as a fun, so you will learn very easily. So yeah, I get a fun with you, and we enjoyed a lot. Yeah,
Okay, then now we should end our conversation. We will meet
yeah,
again.
yeah, yeah. Bye.